Hello pharmacy friends, let us know about the another prescription drug levodropropizine and chlorpheniramine maleate sugar-free syrup. It is a combination medication used to treat dry cough and associated allergic symptoms. Levodropropizine 30 mg is a cough suppressant that is antitussive. It reduces the activity of cough center in the brain, thereby decreasing the urge to cough. Chlorpheniramine maleate 2 mg is an antihistamine that blocks histamine, a chemical messenger responsible for allergic symptoms like running nose, watery eyes, and sneezing. Many pharmaceutical companies are making this product. You can see the formularies of the chemist. This is a Schedule G drug which is prescribed under medical supervision. For any other information, please contact through comment box. Thank you.